Lovely viewers, welcome to a journey of opulence and grandeur. Today, we're diving into the lap of luxury with our exploration of the best hotels in India. From palaces turned into luxurious retreats to beachfront properties that will take your breath away, we've got it all covered. So, buckle up for an unforgettable journey through some of India's finest hotels. But first, have you ever dreamt of experiencing the epitome of luxury in the heart of India? Well, today is your day. We're about to unveil the most opulent and majestic hotels that will leave you in awe. Stick around till the end because we've got tips on how to choose the perfect luxury hotel for your next vacation. Now, within the next 25 seconds, we're going to transport you to the majestic Taj Lake Palace in Udaipur, where luxury meets the tranquility of Lake Pichola. Welcome to the Taj Lake Palace, a true gem nestled amid the serene waters of Lake Pichola. The architectural marvel of this palace is breathtaking, offering exclusive luxurious getaways with stunning views of the Aravalli Hills. Let's delve into the opulence that Taj Lake Palace has to offer. Guests here can rejuvenate at the wellness facilities and Oberoi Spa, indulging in fitness center sessions for a holistic experience. With opulent rooms overlooking the lake, this palace is among the best places for a regal retreat, enhancing the overall splendor of Udaipur's luxury resorts. Prices at Taj Lake Palace start at approximately $600 per night, offering a truly opulent experience. Now, let's jet off to the iconic Taj Mahal Palace in the heart of Mumbai, where modern amenities blend seamlessly with heritage. Immerse yourself in the seamless blend of modern amenities and heritage at this luxurious establishment. Indulge in exceptional service and opulent guest rooms while enjoying world-class dining experiences amidst lush greenery. The prime location allows you to explore the vibrant capital with ease, making it one of the best places to stay in India. The starting rates at Taj Mahal Palace begin at around $500 per night, offering an unparalleled experience in the heart of Mumbai. And now, let's venture into the royal heritage of Umaid Bhawan Palace in Jodhpur, a place where fine dining and lush gardens meet the majestic Mehrangarh Fort. Immerse yourself in the rich heritage and fine dining experiences at Umaid Bhawan Palace. Discover the private pool, lush gardens, and luxurious rooms, all set against the majestic Mehrangarh Fort. Unwind with unique experiences and wellness facilities, including a fitness center and the renowned Oberoi Spa. Rates for Umaid Bhawan Palace start at approximately $800 per night, promising a truly regal experience in Jodhpur. Now, for a serene escape amidst nature, we're headed to Aman-i-Khas in Ranthambore National Park. Nestled within the breathtaking Ranthambore National Park, Aman-i-Khas offers a serene escape into luxury. Guests immerse themselves in the natural beauty and wildlife safaris, while indulging in private pools, fine dining, and top-notch service. The resort also boasts a fitness center and spa therapies for total relaxation. At Aman-i-Khas, rates start at around $1,200 per night, providing a unique blend of luxury and nature in Ranthambore National Park. And now, our journey takes us to the royal ambience of Taj Falaknuma Palace in Hyderabad, promising an unforgettable stay experience. Immerse yourself in the regal heritage and grandeur of Taj Falaknuma Palace, a luxury hotel in Hyderabad that offers impeccable service and fine dining experiences. From the iconic palace to the nearby World Heritage Sites, every aspect of this royal retreat is designed to offer a unique and opulent stay. Taj Falaknuma Palace offers starting rates at approximately $700 per night, creating an unforgettable experience in the City of Pearls. Well, that concludes our whirlwind tour of some of India's best luxury hotels. From the opulence of Taj Lake Palace to the royal heritage of Umaid Bhawan Palace, each of these destinations offers a unique and unforgettable experience. But before you go, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be sharing tips on how to choose the perfect luxury hotel for your needs in India. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, happy travels.